Field Forensics presents Fen-Her to detect and differentiate fentanyl and heroin in unknown samples. Safety is paramount when handling any unknown substance. Wear eye, hand, and respiratory protection while testing. Remove the Fen-Her contents from the vacuum pouch using the tear notch. The Fen-Her test contains several components, including instructions and content list. It also contains 3 pens, a sample pen, a dropper pen, and a color pen. It also contains a wrapped plate. Caution: the liquid in the color tube is strongly acidic. With the sample pen tip pointed downward, break the ampule at the letter E. Squeeze tube enough to wet the tip, but not dripping. With the wet tip, rub a very small or trace quantity of the material onto the pen. Ambiguous results can be caused by too much sample on the plate. To keep spot small, dab the pen tip 3 times on the hole provided on the wrapper. Pause between each dab. Unfold the protective wrapper to expose the plate. Do not touch the white surface of the plate through this procedure. Break dropper tube ampule into the chamber as seen here. Keep the chamber level during testing. Pick up the plate by the backing and insert the plate into the chamber along the back wall. Close the chamber lid to lock the plate in place while keeping the chamber level. Allow the liquid to wick up the plate until it reaches the black line, which takes 4 to 5 minutes. Be sure not to let the liquid wick beyond this point to avoid ambiguity in the results. Then open the chamber and remove the plate. Close the chamber once the plate is removed. Move chamber away from the drying plate to avoid contamination. Air dry plate for at least 7 minutes. Use a fan or a blow dryer to shorten the drying time. Remove the color tube from its container. Break and squeeze the color pen to wet the swab. Dab and squeeze the wet color swab onto the plate in the pattern seen here. Caution: the acidic liquid is now on the surface of the plate. After wetting the plate, return the color pen to its container and seal the top. The color will appear in 30 seconds or less. Verify the plate is aligned with the diagram in the wrapper. Use the diagram to determine the presence of heroin, fentanyl, or other materials. Take photos of the plate, since colors will fade and change over time. Close the wrapper around the plate. Place the wrapped plate into the chamber. If possible, add water to the chamber and close lid.